everyone. So last video we kind of got cut short due to the weather, but we brought you guys back to try to give you a quick video. And what I'm going to do is compare the exhaust on the Mach 1 to the 2014 GT500, just to give you guys kind of a quick I guess comparison video. That way you guys can see what it sounds like with the Borla exhaust, Borla Attack on this car. That car's got headers. It does have a stock exhaust, but it does have headers, so it does sound pretty loud for what it is. So without further ado, let's get the ref match going here. That concludes our video. So this is the very first time that I've driven the Mach 1 and driven the GT500, both at the same, well, not at the same time, but right one after another. And I can tell you that that bad boy there has a lot more power than that one. I think this one's like 650, 675 wheel. That's probably 410, 415 wheel. So when I did the launches that you guys saw, I didn't go too heavy, you know, it was just, I'd say I went about 65 to 70% throttle. But you guys can, I hope you guys can make out how well it sounded. So I will tell you that car there in a straight line is above and beyond better than this car. In the turns, obviously this guy here is made for that. But again, I just wanted to give you guys a quick video and let you guys know kind of a comparison, because last video I didn't get a chance to go over the exhaust. So I hope you like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have questions about the Borla exhaust, please let me know. I'll try to answer them. I did post the link on the part numbers from Borla. So, but if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask us. Until next time, we'll see you later.